Today, we are going to be discussing the Cambridge IELTS General Book 18, Test 2, the Writing Task 1, the formal letter. You are soon going to spend 3 months doing work experience in an organization. Write a letter to the manager of the organization where you are going to do work experience. In your letter, thank the manager for the opportunity to do work experience. Explain what you hope to learn from the work experience. And ask some questions about the work experience you are going to do. Begin your letter as follows. Dear Sir or Madam. Now this 150 word letter can be written in 20 minutes as follows. Begin your letter with Dear Sir or Madam. In para 1, mention the purpose of writing this letter. In para 2, thank the manager for the opportunity. In para 3, explain what you hope to learn. In para 4, ask about the work you are going to do. In para 5, summarize the letter and then end with yours faithfully, Amedi Bado. The following slide shows an 8-band score sample of this letter. Dear Sir or Madam, I am Amedi Bado and I'm writing to you in relation to the time that I'm going to be working under you in your organization. To begin with, I wish to thank you for the opportunity for me to get some work experience in your organization. This experience is very critical for me as a reference of this will feature in my admission application to business school. Moreover, as your company is a prominent logistics service provider in Nice, I will get to learn a lot about the goods transport and storage practices that are dominant in the southern provinces of France. I also request you to send me detailed account of my job responsibilities as early as this weekend so that I have adequate time to study it. I thank you once again for this opportunity. I shall ensure that all my duties are fulfilled beyond your expectation. Yours faithfully, Amedi Bato.